Good afternoon, hello, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's the Boss Couple 22.
And today we are in Cayo Coco in Cuba.
A place of beauty, white sands, beautiful calm waters, the best food ever. And anyway, you're going to see how we put down at a 5-star resort. It's today. It's the next few weeks. We're here in Cayo Coco. Let's go.
Ya vi que estás aquí, tan cerquita de mí.
You can't be at a beach holiday without first stopping on the beach. So let's go. Let me show you what goes down. It looks like this.
Lovely as this guy.
The best part is having a beautiful lady laying next to you sunbathing. You're checking out her form and her features as the sun laps over her tantalizing body. Seems like everyone had the same idea. Taking a stroll, swimming, drinking a drink. Yeah, this is beach life. You gotta love it. If you fancy something a little bit more strenuous, then you can join a game of beach volleyball. Always a crowd pleaser. And then the evening comes, and go to the restaurant in the evening, eat something, drink something, enjoy. Note to self, don't come to the restaurant at 9 o'clock at night. All the food's gone. Yeah. And then we finish the evening off with a view of the stars at night. Clear, lit up, beautiful. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.